control of Shogar Wukong. On previous tapes, you have seen us do various sections of our forms. One in particular is done by Saihei Marlin. He's doing monkey boxing. He's the only one doing monkey boxing in our system at this time. Here I'd like to show you, outside of the forms you've seen previously, which was of course Labyrinthine monkey and small monkey, some applications of monkey in combat, how it really moves. We'll slow it down for the video because oftentimes it will be too fast for the eye to catch. I'll take a volunteer to come in. When you see this, dun, dun, dun. All right. If you look at the video, say salutation. As the attacker comes in, striking, wrapping, locking, gripping neck to drink water or offering a drink. Another attacker comes in, striking, striking, wrapping under, and dragging forward. Monkey brushes his ear. A simple uppercut, jump. Rendering down. Breaking the neck. Same technique, we've now reaching around to break the person's neck. Now I can kick out the support leg. Notice I have my fingers around his throat. Actually, the Adam's apple. Somebody comes in quicker. Secured for an arm break. Sliding in, breaking, hitting the elbow, break face. Scramble up. Notice I have a thumb lock as well as being able to turn and strike. Monkey peeping. Smashing groin. Suffocation. Breaking the neck. Riding through the storm. Boring through. Arm lock again. Claw. The monkey's paw, prehensile thumb. The thumbs are not used. It's something that is used just to hold the person back without actually grasping with the thumb. A lot of the holds are done without using the thumb, unlike humans. That's just a few techniques from Shogar Wukong, monkey form.